Hi, I'm Pamela with Sewing Queen. I'm going to show you how to put an invisible zipper into the bottom of a pillow covering so that you may take the pillow covering off to launder it. And it's actually easier than just hand sewing your edge together, so why not? Putting an invisible zipper into a pillow like this, 16 by 16 inch, takes about 3 minutes. Let's get going. So I'm making an 18 by 18 inch pillow. I've got my front and my back, and I'm going to put them face down together on this one, on the bottom edge of the pillow. And I'm going to sew in about 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to jump down to the other end of the pillow, about 1.5 inches. Trim my threads. And what we have here now is sewn right there on that side and sewn right there. Now we'll change our foot to a piping foot because the zipper that I put in is going to be an invisible zipper. First thing you do on your zipper when it's an invisible zipper is you will lay it flat and press this zipper part flat. It makes it easier sewing. Starting with the bottom edge of the zipper, we'll open up this bottom, slip our foot in right there, lay our zipper in right at the edge of that. And so on the edge of of the flap. Coming down to the bottom here, where we've sewn this together, I'm going to just meet the edge of the zipper right to there is where we're going to sew it to. Trim our threads. Then I'm going to close the zipper from that side just so I can see where the top of this zipper should start on the other side. And there it is right there. So I'm going to put a pin right here, unzip this, turn it around, my zipper, my pillow, like yay. Lift that up. And where my pin is where we're going to start right there. Once I get it going, front and backwards, I can straighten it out here. Sewing on the edge of that. Coming down to the bottom here. Meeting right there at the bottom. Zip up a little. And here we have a zipper that's going to be in the bottom of the pillow. I'm going to open that. These edges of zipper we'll just cut off. Now fold it just like you would a regular pillow. Let's change our foot back to a regular foot. And here's our zipper edge. I'm gonna just cut that off too. Why not? I like to sew 1/2-inch seams, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to go all the way around the zipper, or all the way around the pillow, I mean. When you get to a corner, just leave your needle in, lift up your foot, turn the fabric around. This is a Spider-Man pillow for my grandson. I just used scraps from a quilt that I recently made him. And I want the pillow sham to be washable. That's why I put in the zipper. Now for better corners, it's good to trim your corners like yay. The zipper is open, so I can now bring out the pillow. And the corners of the pillow. To get a nice corner, I'll take my seam ripper and just kind of pull that folded corner out to a nice point on all 4 sides. Ready for the pillow form. Kind of folding this pillow and sticking it in through the zipper end. Put my hand in there and get that pillow into the corners. So anyway, there's our pillow, and we have a zipper down at the bottom so that we can take our pillow form off to wash and then just stick the pillow back in.